If you have a coupon code which you would like to use, you can do so from the checkout page, while entering your billing information. To enter a code, click on the link as instructed. Paste or type the coupon code in the text field provided. Click on Apply Coupon Code to apply it to your order. If the coupon is valid for your order, you will see a success message, and the coupon will be applied to your order instantly. More than one coupon may be applied to a single order, based on the types of promotion attached to the coupons. If a coupon cannot be used together with previously entered entries, the latest entry will simply replace the older ones. For more information and other tutorials, please visit our website.